What's happening? Good morning. Listo? All right. Hello, Victor. How are you today? You ready?
Live. Getting ready for the 4. Got the guys out here. Get a shot of them real quick. 4 shot. It'll be somewhat of a long day. It's gonna be a little bit warm out for spring, but we're excited. First pour of the school project here.
How many yards?
It'll be like 80 yards. What else? Yeah, guys, a lot of footage coming. Drone footage, live footage. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Leave comments, suggestions of what you guys want to see. We got we're gonna try to shoot a little bit of everything, kind of walk you guys through how we do it. Up until now, everything's been set up. All the details have been gone over. We passed county inspection, third-party inspection. The engineer, architect has been out here to make sure all the details, all the specs is what they're looking for. It's done. Mix design has been confirmed. Pumps here. Concrete's been confirmed. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. Guys, right in the middle of the pour. It's going well. Started at 7 a.m. this morning, 80 yards. It's only a 4-inch slab, so you guys can see here we've got first slab. We broke it into 2. First slab is poured. It's poured out right now, and then we've got the smaller one over here that you guys are finishing up. As you guys can see there, these slabs, they weren't big enough for a laser screed, and other than that, we have a lot of penetrations with all the plumbing and electrical conduit coming out. It would make it difficult to have a laser screed out here, so we're running it by hand, which is fine. It's not too big where we can't do it. We've got our laser, which we control. We medic our wet pads, our laser, and that's what we use. As you guys see there, they just screed it off our rod off the laser, and then the rod's going back the other way. Again, always checking with the laser. They will be out here checking the floor flatness. So that's really critical, other than the finish of the actual surface. So, but guys, we should be done here within the next 30 minutes. And you guys will see footage on us on the power trials. We got the riders and walk behinds that we would do. We're gonna try to sock cut today. It's gonna be warm out, so it should be a long day, but very productive day. Yeah, guys, stay tuned for a lot of videos coming. You'll see drone footage soon.